Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the React tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can set up our React development environment. So before we jump into the subject matter, we need to discuss in brief about Node.js and NPM. So what is Node.js? As per the Node.js official documentation, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. When we run a JavaScript code or work with any JavaScript framework, the code gets executed in the browser. So in that case, our browser is the JavaScript runtime environment. So previously it was impossible to run JavaScript outside the browser, but since 2010, when Ryan Dahl invented Node.js, the Chrome's V8 engine at its core made it possible to run JavaScript outside the browser. Since then, it has enabled developers to use JavaScript for backend development. Hence we say Node.js is not a framework but more of a JavaScript runtime instance. Okay, and then let's see what is NPM. So what is NPM? NPM, Node Package Manager, is a software registry which contains over 8 lakh code packages which we can use in our application. It comes with a CLI command line interface which helps us to install these packages and integrate them with our code. The best part is NPM is open source and thus developers can even contribute to the software registry and share the code across the globe. So one thing which you might think like, why I am discussing about Node.js and NPM? The reason is to get started with the React development environment, we need to know something about Node.js and NPM. The reason is when we download Node.js, it comes with this package manager NPM, which in turn helps us to set up our React development environment. Okay, so now let's see how we can install Node.js. So let us get our hand dirty and see how we can install Node.js. First of all, we need to come to the browser and here we need to search download Node.js. See, you will reach a website and the main website is this one, https://nodejs.org. You need to go into this website and then you will see two versions, the LTS and the current version. I will always tell you that always go with the LTS one. So as currently I am using a Windows 10 system, so under Windows installer, I will download the Node runtime instance. Once it is downloaded, we have to open it and click on run. So it will do its own task and then it will tell you the setup wizard will install Node.js on your computer. Click on next. Once you click on next, just accept the license agreement. Then again hit next. Then it will tell a path where your Node.js will be installed. Click on next again. And here it will say all the work which it will do at its end. Click on next. Once done, it will give you an option to download Chocolatey. Here I will not prefer to use Chocolatey, so I am ignoring it and clicking on next. Finally, when you come to this window, you have to click on install. Here I will not click on install because I have already installed Node.js in my system. So once you click on install, the Node.js runtime with NPM and all other utilities and packages will be downloaded into your system. So now the question comes, how can you check whether Node.js has been installed correctly in your system? Let me show you. So once you have downloaded Node.js and it installed it, you have to open your command prompt. Once you open it from anywhere in your directory, you need to write node-v. This will give you the version of Node.js which is installed in your system. Similarly, you can write npm-v and this will give you the version of npm which is installed in your system. So this is what we need before we set up our React development environment. Okay, so once you have this, you are good to go to work with React. Okay, if you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned with us. We are planning to bring up far better videos in the upcoming future. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.